Hi guys, Sharper back with another taste test. Or is it snack attack? I can't remember. It's been so long since I've done one of these. I can't remember what the branding is. But a good friend of mine, PrimeGundam, co-host of the Morphin Metacast podcast, was kind enough to send some lovely Oreos over to me, along with a toy I will be reviewing at some point. So I figured I'd just knock out a taste test review because as a British person, we generally have maybe 4 or 5 Oreo flavours. None of them are as wacky as these. So we have Marshmallow Moon, celebrating the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. Looks very cool. Pack glows in the dark. That's kind of cool. I like these almost tray-like packages because you can just kind of peel them open. Much different to the long cylindrical packages of biscuits that we get. But that's one that I'll be trying. Maple cream. One for the Canadians. I'm sure Matt Lees loves these things if he's tried them. I'll have to ask. But yeah, I'm a fan of golden Oreos. So getting one with like a nice maple syrup kind of flavour, I'm going to enjoy those. Carrot cake Oreos. These were the most interesting ones to me because I like a carrot cake. I'm not too big on the cream cheese. Like, if it's too much cream cheese, I'll be a bit bleh about it. But I do like a carrot cake. So, the idea of a carrot cake Oreo, very, very interesting indeed. So, I'm very much looking forward to those. And finally, a chocolate peanut butter pie Oreo. Peanut butter, not really a big thing over here. It's sold, but it's not as ingrained into our society as it is in America. Like, Reese's have only come into the zeitgeist of the UK in the last 10 years. So, I'm interested to see what this is going to be like. Because the pie itself on the packaging looks gorgeous. It's a lot of peanut butter though, I assume. But, again, I like a golden Oreo. And I kind of like peanut butter. It's very clee to me. And I like chocolate. So maybe like the whole chocolate peanut butter thing will really come together in this. So can't wait to get into that as well. So the big question is, what am I going to try first? I think the order I'm going to have to try these in. Because obviously these two are the big ones. And these two might be a little weird. But I'm going to try maple first, chocolate peanut butter, then marshmallow, and leave the carrot cake to last and hope that the carrot cake is the best one. So here is the maple cream Oreo. I like the packaging. As I've said, oh, what's that one? Dark chocolate. Cookies and cream. Those absolute mad lads. They made Oreos. Oh, that's nuts. But yeah, I really like the packaging. Let's try this out, because I have never used one of these before. Like, this is an entirely American thing, so come on. Let me get at you. Hoping I can kind of seal this back up again. Oh. Oh, there we go. Right. Standard Oreo. Let's crack it open. Oh, that's much, like, creamier. I kind of like that. It's obviously maple syrupy. Let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's really, really good. I could see them being too sickly if you eat too many of them. But I suppose if you stick to like the 2 cookie serving they suggest. Yeah, they're really, really good. Right, I'm going to have another one. Yeah, they're really good. But, like I say, they could be a bit too sickly if you have too many of them. So, very, very nice flavour. The crunch is really good. And, yeah. I highly recommend them. They're really, really good. So, Maple Cream Oreos. Big thumbs up from this Brit. Highly recommend you guys go out and find them if you can. But for now, I'm going to finish this off and we will get moving to the next packet. Next up, we have the chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. Have to say, not a big fan of peanut butter, but I'm willing to give it a go. It says Graham flavoured cookie. Graham? What did Graham ever do to us that we have to flavour our cookie? I kid. I know that graham crackers are a thing. Hell, isn't this basically a s'more? Is that what it is? What you Americans have? S'mores? It's like marshmallow, chocolate, peanut butter, graham crackers. And you do it over a campfire. That's a s'more, right? I wouldn't know. Most of my time in the Scouts was spent being bullied. Yay. Peanut butter, not my favourite thing. And I'm interested to see what a graham cracker flavoured cookie is like. So, try and get it open. It says lift. Come on. There we go. Let's give it a huff. I am getting a vaguely crackery smell. That's interesting. Let's take a look at one of these. It's definitely not your average golden Oreo. It's more digestive looking, digestive biscuit looking. Definitely smell the peanut butter in it. It's nice and even. So let's give it a go. That's quite nice. Definitely getting the peanut butter, a little bit of the chocolate, and I assume the graham cracker. Let's just try a bit of that. Yeah, it tastes a bit like a digestive. So yeah, that's interesting. Let's finish the rest off. I've suddenly come to realise that a lot of this video is me just munching going, But yeah, they're quite nice. Chocolate and peanut butter, not really a thing here, but I can see the appeal. It's got a very umami kind of mouthfeel texture that I'm really digging. Yeah, that's real nice. I am actually having another one of them. But yeah, I'd say it's safe to say they're pretty good. Definitely wouldn't consider them my favourite, but They are very nice. You can see the appeal on them. And yeah, I'd recommend them for anyone who likes chocolate peanut butter pie. Chicken pot pie, my 3 favourite things. I forget where that joke's from. It just reminded me of it. But yeah, these guys, real good. On to the next one. Next up we have Marshmallow Moon. Oreos that are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, which was this year. Which is nuts when you think about it. It's only been 50 years. But yeah, I'm not sure what to think of these, because it says chocolate sandwich cookies. This is Marshmallow Moon, and it doesn't really give an indication of what the flavour is going to be. I assume marshmallow, but apart from that, maybe it's just like some version of a regular Oreo. I don't know. We got 3 glow-in-the-dark stickers on the back, which is cool. I may put them on something at some point. But we're not here for stickers. We're here for Oreos. So let's crack this open. Oh. Oh, purple. That's a very odd smell. And we've got a cool old spaceman design. What's the innards like? I can't even tell you what the smell is. It's odd. It's purple though. Let's try it. I'm not sure about that. That's a little weird. Let's try it without as much biscuit. Try the filling. I guess it's a marshmallow flavour? Because I don't think it's actual marshmallow. It has the consistency of it, but I don't know. Let's try the rest of it. Supposed to be 3 other designs as well. Look for them. That's cool. I'm not sure what to say. They're very sweet, almost sickly, but I put that large in part due to the chocolate biscuit they use for Oreos, which I'm not overly a fan of. I much prefer the golden Oreo, and the chocolate one can be a bit much. I like the mint ones. The mint ones go well with it, but on their own, the chocolate biscuit's not my favourite. And with this flavour, I don't know. I do not know what to make of that. That is an odd one. Jury's out on that. No idea. Taste-wise, it's kind of marshmallowy. Apart from that, I can't tell you much else. It's just a very sweet Oreo. That's all I can say. I do like the designs very much. It makes a nice difference to having like just a plain Oreo like that all the time. It makes it a little fun, so that's cool. As for the cookie, it's okay. I wouldn't want to eat too many though, he says, with a still mostly full packet. Moving on. And finally, we come to the one that I've been really looking forward to. Something you may not know, I've been staggering out this release, so I've been opening a packet of these every couple of days. So from like Sunday to today, which is a Friday, my birthday, surprisingly enough, so yay. I've been looking forward to this one most of all, because I love a bit of carrot cake, me. And now we finally get to try it, so no time like the present. Ooh, let's have a smell. That's interesting. Smells definitely there. I'm getting way more of the cream cheese than I'd like, but let's just pick one out at random. Take a look. It's like a golden Oreo, but it's got a little darkness to it. It says the carrot cake is the cookie, and then you've got the cream cheese filling. So that's cool. Crack it open a bit. Oh, that's a bit tough. But it seems to spread out fairly well. We'll get it nice and even. Oh, it broke. Smells pretty good. Let's try it. Oh, we'll both fall down. Oh. Yeah. Damn. Oh, damn, that's good. That is carrot cake as anything. I'm having another one already. They are really, really good. The cookie is a lot tougher than the other three that I've tried so far, but it's a lot tougher. Like you can see, it's just cracking under the pressure of being bitten into, rather than just crumbling and being able to be chewed through. But goddamn. Oh, that is so good. I really, really like those. Again, I could see these being stupidly sickly if you have too many, just like carrot cake. Because that cream cheese frosting will kill you if you have too much. But I like this a lot. And well, I highly recommend carrot cake Oreos. They are my favourite. So in terms of a ranking, I'm going to put the Marshmallow Moon Oreos at the bottom. Not a big fan of them really. I just wasn't a big fan of them. Next, I'd probably put the maple syrup. Very nice, very strong maple flavour. Very nice overall. But not something I would go back to over and over again. The chocolate peanut butter ones were a big surprise for me. I'm going to admit that I wasn't expecting much out of those, but they really proved their worth, and I super enjoyed them. Really good. And my absolute favourites are going to be these guys. I'm dipping in for a third, and I should probably put them out of my reach so I don't eat them anymore. But yeah, I highly recommend the carrot cake and the peanut butter chocolate pie Oreos. Definitely go seek them out. I don't know what the window is for limited edition Oreos in the States, so if you find them, snap them up right there and then. But for now, thanks a lot for joining me on this little taste test. Thank you very much to PrimeGundam, co-host of the Morphin Metacast. Thanks a lot, mate. These are really, really good. And I've been Sharpo, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later. Oh.